The European architecture of value for money could not be complete without a notion of undue costs. European regulators started to take a close look at the costs associated with retail investment products already in 2020, and that was when cost and performance of retail investment products were identified as a strategic supervisory priority in the European Union. ESMA spearheaded the movement against undue costs of UCITS, which resulted in a briefing first in 2020 issued to guide national competent authorities in their activities of supervision of costs. Then there was a common supervisory action in 2021 to ensure that fund managers were not charging undue costs to investors. Common takeaway from these exercises was that the lack of a definition of undue cost was hindering prevention and enforcement activities of supervisory authorities. And the approach of European authorities for what concerned the notion of undue cost turned out to be prescriptive but not dissimilar from the one adopted by other global regulators. A notion of undue cost will be introduced both under the UCITS and AIFs directives, and this will be defined by contrast with costs that are deemed due. Under a reform proposal of the UCITS directive, costs will be deemed due if they meet three key criteria. First, they align with disclosures made in the fund offering documentation, including retail disclosure. Second, they are necessary for the UCITS to operate in line with its investment strategies and regulatory requirements. And third, they ensure fair treatment of investors, meaning the cost must be proportional to the value provided.